Hello guys, what's up? Rosalinas here. Feeling fresh and feeling fine. Okay, let's get into it. We are reacting to the GoAnimate City Tornado, but not the GoAnimate City to Tornado. I'm not reacting to it again. There's a different one this time, okay? It's like, hello. Let's get into it. The heck? Hold on. I don't like it.
Damn it. Why aren't we moving?
Dude, stop whining. We should be moving soon.
Mommy, please go faster.
Keep this box.
I don't want to die. What?
Die?
Honey, don't worry. We're going somewhere far to avoid it.
To avoid what? Let's go home.
Yeah. Thank God we are moving.
I love this car sound effect. I like this music.
And now, back to Freddy's Pizzeria, only on the GoAnimate network for adults.
Pizzeria.
Hey, Freddy, what do you do for fun?
I kiss girls.
That's weird. He's doing it! This guy right here is doing a farther.
Hey.
The heck?
Hello, I'm Miss Kate, and we interrupt this program
Miss
for
Kate.
some entertainment and Anger's news.
Mom,
Those guys are weird.
get over here right now.
A tornado has been spotted touching down. We expect a tornado warning, so here's the footage of.
This creeps me out.
The following message is transmitted and requests of the Emergency Alley Act System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for these following cities and counties: GoAnimate City, South Park, Steve City, GoAnimate County, Ellenwood
Hello.
County, and Vista County. For the sightlines of these following counties and cities, these are the following actions you must take. Make sure you have plenty of food and water. Stay away from all windows. If you have a basement, hide in the basement. And if you don't have a basement, get in a boat. Cover yourself with a blanket. I repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
That creeps me out, by the way. I have nightmares. The heck? Wait, where is it?
Oh my god, what are we going to do?
Let's go to the bottom of the apartment.
Okay, Dessel, hide under the table. Hunter and Sally, hide behind the vending machine. I will hide under the drawer.
Hold on, I need to do something real quick. I'll be right back. Oh, right. I did just edit something.
Whoa.
The heck?
Oh no, the tornado is here.
Well, why we're so quiet in this video? I don't get it. I don't know why. Oh shoot, not that guy.
Dyson.
We got sucked into the tornado.
Ow, my ears! Jeez. please.
Eric, thank God you're okay.
I'm already eating something.
Latios got sucked in. Wait, I think he is driving the tornado.
Tornado, really?
Hey, Eric. You saved use with the Latios. Thank you.
Nice.
Wow. Thank God that is over.
Let's find Bad.
Diesel, wake up.
Man, that was amazing tornado. When I protected my face and look at the building. How can I ever fix this?
Don't worry. Latios can fix this. Latios, come here now. Latios.
Okay, I might change something. And at the end of each video, I think I'll show a drawing of mine. So let's go into it.
Fixes the Brookside downtown building. Thanks, Eric and Latios. You're welcome. Now I'll go see my mom in the building.
Okay, hold on. I still need to edit my picture. Warning: this might be scary. It might give you nightmares. Which is now. Since I was reacting to a tornado thing, I decided to make one. So yeah. Bye guys. See you all later. That's going to be at the end of my video.